we must pay attention. So when our parents or dad and mom, when you actually tell the child, pay attention, you are teaching them a very, very important skill. In another session, I mentioned that it is important to be able to think. And before you can think logically, creatively, then you need to be able to memorize the information. So there are different techniques to memorize information. Each things or each subject, we must use different technique. Let's say if there is a list of items, there's a pictures, there are poems, there is the step to do things. So each of these have a different way to memorize the information. Now, when you can memorize the information, but before you could memorize the information, we must be able to learn. What do you mean by learn? So some of us learn by seeing pictures, drawing pictures. Some of us, when we learn, we must talk to someone. We must explain things to someone, or we must hear somebody talk. And then, of course, there will be another group of people, when you share with them things, teach them things, they will be just keeping quiet. But the next moment, when you get them down to doing some work, they will be actively doing it. So that is called learning by doing. Now, below this, each and every one of us must remember to do the visual part, to listen, and to take the action to do. We must pay attention. So when our parents or dad and mom, when you actually tell the child, pay attention, you are teaching them a very, very important skill.